لن يجلب السلام إلى المنطقة.
Recognizing that Palestine refugees have the same rights and aspirations as everybody else on this planet, that they have a right to live in safety, in freedom, with adequate and essential services and opportunities is essential.
الاعتراف بحقوق اللاجئين الفلسطينيين، لهم نفس الحقوق والطموح كما كل واحد على وجه هذه الأرض، لهم الحق بأن يعيشوا بأمان وفي حرية بوجود خدمات ضرورية وفرص، وهذا شيء مهم جدا لهم.
Courage lies in helping everyone to rediscover the humanity in each other.
الشجاعة تكمن في مساعدة الآخرين لإعادة اكتشاف الإنسانية في الطرف الآخر.
Thank you very much.
أشكركم جزيلا. نضال from Reuters.
So the answer to the first question is, I feel we have a very great responsibility to draw attention in great detail to what has happened to the demonstrators, to what has happened to the injured, because if the world underestimates what happened here and just considered these were demonstrations and now we can turn the page, then we're going to have such a major health crisis here in Gaza that people will be very, very surprised of what is going to come in terms of human consequences. And here I will call, and we will work with our team to put together proposals for the international community and the donor community to mobilize money. Of course, we will do it for our own services, but I must call the international community to pay attention to the needs of the Ministry of Public Health as well.
إنه من مسؤوليتنا فعلا أن نجلب الانتباه لما يحدث هنا في قطاع غزة. إن عدم التقييم الصحيح من العالم لما يحدث في قطاع غزة سيكون له آثار كبيرة، وبالذات على القطاعات الإنسانية والقطاع الصحي. نحن سنقوم بتشكيل عدة مقترحات لكي نجلب المال هنا إلى قطاع غزة ومن أجل تركيز الجهود في هذا المكان.
The second question regarding the schools. It is one of our absolute priorities to ensure that schools can open on time. As you said, we faced the biggest ever financial crisis in the history of UNRWA. We needed 446 million to close our shortfall. For the